Hello, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to Science Simplified. Have you ever wondered how the instructions hidden deep inside your cells actually turn into you? Your eye color, your height, or even how your body digests food? The answer lies in a beautiful molecular process called gene expression. But first, let's understand what a gene is. A gene is a segment of DNA that contains the instructions for making a specific protein or functional RNA molecule. Think of genes as individual chapters in the book of life, each one carrying specific information that determines a particular trait or function in your body. Gene expression is the process where the information encoded in a gene, specifically in our DNA, is converted into a functional product. Most of the time, that product is a protein. Think of DNA as the architect's master blueprint and gene expression as the construction crew building the house. Today, we are going to break down exactly how this construction happens, step by step. Let's dive into the diagram to see the 4 key stages of this process. Step 1, the DNA template. It all begins inside the nucleus, the control center of the cell. Here we have the DNA template. DNA is a double helix, holding the genetic code for every protein your body needs. But DNA is too valuable to leave the nucleus, so it acts as the template or the original source of truth. Step 2, transcription, creating mRNA. Since the DNA cannot leave the nucleus, the cell needs to make a copy of the instructions. This is step 2, transcription. During transcription, an enzyme reads the DNA and creates a single-stranded copy called mRNA, or messenger RNA. You can see the green strand in the image. Think of mRNA as a photocopy of a specific recipe from the master cookbook. This mRNA carries the message out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm. Step 3, translation, building the chain. Now, the mRNA arrives at a molecular machine called a ribosome, shown as the beige structure. This is step 3, translation. Here, the ribosome reads the code on the mRNA 3 letters at a time. Based on that code, it grabs specific amino acids and links them together. This creates a long chain called a polypeptide chain. If DNA is the language, translation is the act of reading that language to build something tangible. Step 4, functional protein. Finally, we reach step 4. That long polypeptide chain doesn't just stay a straight line, it folds up into a complex 3D shape. Once folded, it becomes a functional protein. This protein is the worker. It might be an enzyme speeding up a reaction, an antibody fighting a virus, or collagen giving structure to your skin. This is the final goal of gene expression, turning genetic code into a working biological machine. To give you a little extra context, scientists call this entire flow DNA to RNA to protein, the central dogma of biology. It is the fundamental rule of life. Without this process, our genes would just be silent data. Gene expression is what makes that data come alive. So to summarize, your DNA holds the plan. Transcription copies the plan into mRNA. Translation builds the parts at the ribosome. And finally, you get a functional protein that keeps you alive and healthy. It is a truly elegant system. If you found this explanation helpful and enjoyed this simplified look at biology, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who love science. And drop a comment below letting us know what topic you want us to simplify next. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos.